This BOSCH StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit provides a tool that delivers the new professional standard in oscillating tool performance, providing the next generation Starlock 3D tool accessory interface, 4.0 amps of power, and advanced electronics. The Starlock interface has more contact surface area from tool to accessory for blade grip and torque transfer, delivering a better cutting, grinding, scraping, or sanding experience. The 4.0 amp motor provides a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. To finish off heavy-duty applications, a variable speed dial allows the user to set the optimal speed for the task at hand. And constant response circuitry maintains the desired speed under load. This BOSCH is compatible with all of BOSCH's full line of Starlock and StarlockPlus accessories for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, grout removal, scraping, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Greater torque transfer for better performance. This BOSCH StarlockPlus incorporates a new cup 3D tool accessory interface that provides more contact area versus the conventional flat OIS interface. The blade snaps onto the tool like a snow ski snap onto a boot. This results in an integrated high torque transfer, a better grip, and greater accessory stabilization. This enhanced grip drives better power transmission from the tool to the work surface, the new professional standard in oscillating tool systems. The StarlockPlus interface builds on BOSCH's heritage of innovation in professional tool accessory interfaces, such as the SDS Plus and SDS Max concrete hammer bit interface and T-shank for jigsaw blade interface. Number 2. Greater tool muscle for productivity. With 4.0 amps of power, this tool is ideal for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, grout removal, and scraping. This BOSCH has a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, producing fine cuts and fast task completion. It has a 3.0 degrees oscillating arc for better accessory utilization and increased productivity. Reinforced gearing and metal gear housing provide optimal force transmission, durability, and reduced vibration for increased comfort. The variable speed dial allows operators to match the speed to the material and task, with a range of 8,000 to 20,000 oppam. Its constant response circuitry allows the tool to maintain the desired speed even as the load increases. Number 3. Flexible positioning and better control. Designed to be the handiest tool available, this BOSCH weighs only 3.3 pounds and measures only 11.4 inches long, making it compact enough to reach into tight spaces, such as corners. The tool also features a flexible accessory orientation with positions at every 30 degrees for customizable accessory positioning. And the ball joint cord swivel also helps facilitate easy tool positioning. An LED provides illumination for dark areas. This BOSCH has an ergonomic design with a narrow 6.9 inches grip diameter, and provides multiple soft grip areas for better control and extended comfort. The rugged tool construction provides durability and less vibration. Number 4. Stay on task with no-touch accessory change. This BOSCH allows operators to quickly and toolless change accessories, such as blades, to stay on task. Just snap in the blade, like snapping in a ski boot. Importantly, there are no losable parts, as there are on some competitor tool systems. A pull of the release lever allows the accessory to detach from the tool. No more fumbling with wrenches or touching hot blades. This system also makes it easy to reposition Starlock accessories in any of 12 positions, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.